Yun pa din yung gusto ko. Ayoko lang sabihin sa kanya, baka magalit. Ito na naman, ang mahal-mahal na naman na pinipili.
You don't get angry or something?
Pag itong bahay na to hindi pa talaga nabenta, ewan ko na lang talaga.
There you go, my lovely one, my lovely one.
Good morning! Happy Saturday! Weekend na, guys! I'm ready. Maaga pa, wala pang 10. Ready na ako kasi may lakad kami. Ang dami actually naming gagawin ngayon or pupuntahan. So, first stop, saan tayo pupunta, my love? Ililipat ko lang yung mga gamit ko from this bag to this bag. Gagamitin ko to. The first stop is bricks. We will choose bricks, guys, for the house. This is the first house shopping we will do, right?
We won't make the final decision today, we'll just have a look.
Okay.
We might, depending who can decide.
Okay. So, maghahanap kami titingin lang kami ng mga kulay ng bricks para makapag-decide what brick color we will go for. Okay, I'm done. I'll just go to the bathroom real quick. And then I'm ready! Daan na naman kami sa lupa, guys. So, do you like that color? Para lang siyang malinis lang siya. Or do you wanna go dark? Dark? So let's go with dark gray, then with dark grout. Yeah, that one looks good. With the dark grout.
Yeah, that looks good.
It's not too dark.
I actually like that.
You do?
Take a photo.
Malapit na kami, guys. Ang layo ng dinrive namin. Ayan, bricks. May nakikita ako. What is it? Industrial? Austral? Ano yun? Austral bricks. Display center. Spring clearance sale. Bricks and clay pavers. Brickworks! Marami dito, iba-iba.
Right, there's not another one along. Like, is this about the right one? Or is it up there?
Oh no, go, keep going. Mali pala yun, it's not it. Pero may mga ano dito. Keep going. Dito pa. Ang layo ng dinrive namin, layo pala nito. How many minutes have we been driving? 20. Okay, dito. Yan, dyan. Alright, that looks better. Oh, there you go. Ayan, may mga display. Hindi naman pala siya since sobrang layo. Golden Grove, dito ako eh. Ito yung suburb na nagpapanails ako. Iba lang yung ruta namin kaya feeling ko layo-layo na yung biyahe. Pumasok kami dun sa office, guys. May tinanong lang kami kay ate kasi ang dami nilang mga display dito pero hindi namin alam kung like ano yung ganap. Like, pagpasok namin kanina, ito agad yung nakita ko. Ito yung gusto ko.
There's a different style of brick as well, babe.
It is different. Pero gusto ko yung ganyang kulay. Medyo ano siya, nasa expensive side. Pero yun yung nakita ko. Sabi ni Dan, of course. Of course, yan agad yung gusto mo. Pero, we're looking at... Maganda dito kasi, nakatayo na sila lahat. So, ano mo siya, mai-imagine mo siya. Oh, may mga sample pa, babe. Oh, look. We're not doing this. Itong dito sa harap ng bahay namin, rendered siya. Rendered is parang hindi yung brick na look ba. Ayan. Nice yung finish niya. Hindi. Yung bricks namin isa side lang. Where? Which one?
What she said.
Is that it?
That's it.
Let's see. Yan ba yun? Licorice. Oh yeah. Ito yung sinabi niya.
Yeah, look around, see what else you like.
There's more there.
Yeah, have a look.
Yeah. Ayan, may mga malala. Oh, licorice as well. But that's a different style, yeah. Pina-check namin sa kanya kung ano yung mga standard na bricks. Standard is yung hindi siya high-end ba. Kasi sa gilid lang naman to ng bahay. And bricks lang naman siya, guys. Alam mo yun. Pero yung nakita ko na nagustuhan ko, ano yun? Hindi siya standard, high-end siya. This is licorice as well?
Yeah.
Alright. How about this? You don't like a lighter one? No? Because look at this, they have different grouts. This one's lighter, that one's more yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't mind that one actually. But that's not gonna look good sa bahay na.
That's part of the range of the
Oh, is it?
yeah, like the she said, because I think I'm pretty confident that's one of the SA collection ones.
No? So what? The picture is darker?
I think it's a different brick.
Hmm.
Choose a couple that you like and we'll see if we can get some sample.
Yun pa din yung gusto ko. Ayoko lang sabihin sa kanya, baka magalit. Ito na naman, ang mahal-mahal na naman na pinipili. Hindi din kasi siya, hindi siya brick ng pang, parang brick yan pang, pang banyo kasi maliliit. What do you like?
I like the liquid show, I'm happy with that.
You are?
Yep.
Okay, let's go for that one then.
What do you like for us?
I like that as well. I like that as well. Maybe go for a darker grout.
Yeah, dark grey. I don't like grey. I want a grey dark.
Yeah, but that's not even that light.
I know. But darker grey.
That's still not dark enough for me. Do you think the brick is dark enough?
It will be.
Are you sure? That doesn't look dark to me. This is dark. You like it?
I like it. I think it's fine. Yeah, it's good.
Let's go for it then.
You don't get angry or something?
No. It's just a brick.
Well, that's good.
This is just the start. It's fine. I won't see it. It's just gonna be on the side of the house, right?
Go outside.
Yeah, I don't go outside. I'll see it when I hang the clothes.
You won't even see it when you pull into the house because of the garage is going to be on the boundary, so you won't see it down that side.
Yeah.
And then on the other side, you won't even see it down that side because all the bins are, so you won't actually even see the brick.
That's good.
Okay, done. Easy.
Deal. Babe.
I can live with that.
We can't go for that one at all. No, I know. It looks really good though, doesn't it?
You have to feature wall. It does, yeah.
Yeah.
Not a to the house.
Not for the house, no? Guys, pumasok na kami sa loob kasi may napili na sana kami yung licorice. And then, tingnan ko yung brochure nila. May nakita akong bahay na white yung bricks niya. So sabi ko, alam mo, parang maganda din yung white. Wait, saan?
Okay.
But they've got the white windows. Ours is gonna be black, right? Nah, licorice is, I think, fine.
Upstairs is going to be white. We're going to have black window frames upstairs.
Yeah. Let's see, where is it? Vanilla ice?
Vanilla ice is where you saw it before us.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Do you like it?
Nah.
No? Okay.
What else did you like out of the colours?
That one. I like that one. And we're done.
We'll check out the other paving place quickly.
Ah, okay. So we got a sample. Can you show them a lot? There you go. That's the brick sample. Diba tiningnan namin yung light color? Tiningnan namin siya sa maraming anggulo and madumi siya. Siyempre puti eh. Vanilla. So medyo madumi siya, guys. So sabi namin yan na lang yung dark. Dito naman tayo, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, Austral bricks. Check natin kung ano yung mga dark selection nila dito. Oh, white oh. Wait, tingnan natin ha. Sorry? Yeah, I'll stay here, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung gusto natin dito. This one. Okay lang siya, 'di ba? Ganyan yung gusto kong grout, hindi yung super light na grout. So see yung difference nila. Mas gusto ko to. Tapos it's darker as well. Hanap pa tayo iba. Nandun na sila sa loob. Ito okay din siya. Makinis siya. Mas makinis siya compared sa dito. Mas gusto ko to. I feel like yung napili namin is ganito yung kulay niya. So it's lighter. Mas maganda yung dark. Galing na sila sa loob. Mahal daw to. Mahal siya. 20% more than the one we chose already kanina. You asked me to look. I just looked. You asked me to choose the best one. That's the one I chose. Why are you laughing? How about these? At the front here.
Yeah, they're twice expensive.
Ooh. See, I didn't choose the most expensive one, babe. This is the most expensive one. Yeah, grabe ka mahal. $3,000 per thousand. That one's 1,900 something per thousand. Yeah. Yun yung gusto ko. May nakita akong maganda, guys. Is it better than the other one that we saw?
You like this one better. I'm not gonna.
Well, I don't really know the difference. I'm just looking at it now. It looks alright. So this is what we got from Urban Austral Bricks, and this is what we got from the other one. This is better, right, guys? Darker. Let's go for this one, babe. Is that okay?
Did she wipe it or not wipe it?
She didn't. She didn't wipe it. The other one wiped this one. This is lighter. Let's go for the darker one.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Deal. Hey. Oh, good.
Okay.
Is this made here in South Australia?
I'm not sure.
Now, where are we gonna go?
Gonna go to Aunt Cheryl's, grab some, whatever you're gonna grab.
Oh, yeah. Balikbayan box.
Grab your phone, babe.
Kina Ate Cheryl, guys. Malapit lang si Ate Cheryl dito, diba? Not far from here.
I don't know.
See, that's darker, babe. Let's definitely go for that one, okay? Dito kami kina Ate Shai, guys. Matutuloy na talaga yung box natin. Hindi na talaga natin makakalimutan. Alams na. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let me see. Well, ask Ate. They've got an ubi cake. Do you want an ubi cake? May empanada si Ate, guys. Mainit pati.
Mainit pa.
Sarap to?
Sarap yan.
Yan. Kuha kami isa. Dito. Nilalagay lang ni Dan yung balikbayan box sa likod, guys. And we got some food. Exciting. $10 yung balikbayan box para sa box lang. Tapos magbabayad ka ng 100 something dun na sa magpipick up ng box kapag may laman na yung box. So mag-haul tayo ng mga nabili natin kina Ate She. Yema cake. Yema cake pala yung nakita nila kanina. Binigyan kami ni Ate ng spoon. Thank you, Ate. You can have it now if you like. Which one do you wanna eat? Chicken empanada. Mainit-init pa, guys. Ang sarap. Dingdong. Naubusan ako ng dingdong kagabi. Wala lang siyang spicy. And then, bopis. Nakita ko bopis. Usually kasi yung binibili ko dun sisig. Wala nang sisig. Bopis na lang. And then, turonitos. Ayan, maliliit na banana turon with jackfruit. So good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Is it good?
Sure.
Coconut water for Dan. Kainin na namin to dito sa car kasi may pupuntahan pa kami after. Mango nectar for me. 2 sardinas. Yun lang. Bonnie's Warehouse. May mga bibilhin lang kami, guys. After kinati siya, may dinaanan lang kami. May ginawa si Dan na ano lang naman, mga 1 oras work stuff. Now, we're here. What are we gonna buy here, my love?
Paint.
Oh yeah, pipinturahan. May pipinturahan kami sa labas ng bahay. Or siya lang. Kasi sobrang init. I need to buy some stuff as well. Do they have some school supplies there? Like tapes and stuff? Or not really?
No.
Do we have to go to Kmart for that? Okay, tingin tayo ng paint. Interior and exterior. Yeah. Gray, diba? This? Ah, same. Yeah. That's it. How about this one, my love? I think it's more of that one.
Which one?
I don't know. This one or this one?
I'll take them home. I'll come back tomorrow morning.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'll do it
Okay.
tomorrow morning.
Oh, take more then. So you can compare. Oh.
Okay.
Is that it? Or do you want to take more?
I'll do that.
Ah, there you go. Oh, good. Ito yung kailangan namin, guys. Paving sand. Only one? Let's go. Where are we going next? Is that it? Ah, no, for the tiles. Okay. Guys, bahay na ako. Hinatid lang ako ni Dan kasi dadaan na naman siya sa lupa para i-imagine niya daw. Yung brick na dala-dala namin na 2 brick. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya yun na-imagine yung maliit na brick sa lupa. Anyway, yun yung gagawin niya. And then pupunta din siya sa parang tile shop kasi meron siyang bibilihin na something to do with cleaning the tiles or like cleaning the grout ng tiles kasi meron kaming kailangan linisin dun sa banyo. Yung pipinturahan pala ni Dan, bukas niya gagawin kasi ngayon ng init, guys. Masusunog talaga yung Danny Boy ko kung ngayon siya magpipintura. Mainit na mahangin, pero mas nangingibabaw yung init. Yan yung pipinturahan yan. Yan. Dalawa yan sila. Dito din. Kaya yung mga gray yung tiningnan namin kanina. Yun lang naman. So ngayon, kumuha lang kami ng mga sample. I-check niya ako ano yung closest sa kulay. Tapos bukas niya na daw bibilhin yung paint. Tapos bukas na din siya magpipintura. Bukas, darating dito yung kambal niya. I think darating silang lahat dito. Kasi gusto din niyang dalhin sila sa black kasi hindi pa nila nakita yung black. Pero papatulong din siya kay Tristan para buhatin to. Bubuhatin nila yan kasi mabigat talaga yan. Hindi ko kaya yan. Nandito na yung ating balikbayan box sa wakas. It will make my life easier kasi kapag nagdi-declutter ako, yung mga gusto kong ipadala sa Pilipinas, at least diretso na siya sa box. Hindi na ako mag-accumulate ng iba na namang box. Alam mo yun? It's gonna be easy. And this time, maglalagay tayo dyan ng air fryer. At saka deep fryer. Request yun ni Mama, deep fryer. Kung alam ko lang talaga, kasi nung bumili kami ng air fryer, tinapon na agad namin ni Dan yung deep fryer kasi ayaw na ayaw niya yung deep fryer. He thinks it's really messy and it's just an additional clutter sa aming kitchen. And alam niyo naman kami, as much as possible, ayaw namin ng sobrang daming gamit. So yeah, tinapon namin siya. After namin siya tinapon, siguro mga week later, sabi ni Mama, ano gusto niya magka-deep fryer? Sabi ko, ay, kakatapon lang namin ng amin. Bumili din kami ng duct tape sa Bunnings. Kailangan ko na lang ng masking tape at saka packing tape. Masking tape para makasulat ako, i-label-label ko yung mga nagawa ko kahapon, yung mga ipang store ko na mga gamit ko. Yung empanada, masarap talaga siya guys. Isa na lang natira. Sultanas yan, or what do you call this? Ano sultanas? Raisins. Raisins. Sultanas kasi tawag nila dito. Raisins, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa raisins. So, kinukuha ko ako siya. Lagay ko siya dun. Ay, nako.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands.
Pagod ako dun guys. Si Dan pala naglilinis siya ng grout. Pero yung ginawa ko is, tinape ko lang yung ilalim kasi last time, hindi namin na-tape yung ilalim. Bali, isang tapean lang yung ilalim na ginawa namin last time. So, nung puno na siya, kailangan pa namin siya ng ibaliktad para i-tape dun. And ang bigat-bigat. So, ngayon, ginawa ko na, tinape ko na lahat ng ilalim. And then, pupunuin natin siya. And then, iti-tape natin yung harap. Iti-tape natin yung surroundings. Char sa surroundings talaga. But, yeah. That's done. Pagod ako dun, guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag-steam up ng buong hallway kasi nilinis na Dan yung grout. Tapos kanina sobrang, ay naku, ang dumi-dumi tingnan, guys. Kasi nilinis niya yung grout, screenab niya ba. So, steam up ko lang siya. Nilinis ko din yung dito. Ayan, malinis na yan dyan. Ito hindi ko pa na-map kasi namatay yung vacuum. I-vacuum ko kasi siya muna before ko siya i-map. And ginagawa ni Dan ngayon is yung paving sand na binili namin. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos kapag nabasa siya, titigas siya, guys. So ganito yung magiging itsura niya ito. Nalagyan na to eh. And nag-dry na yan sila. As soon as malagyan siya ng tubig, magda-dry siya. And ganyan na yung itsura niya. 'Di ba? So, kailangan mo na siyang walisan, tanggalin yung mga dumi, tapos ilalagay yung paving sand, ganon. Pag itong bahay na to hindi pa talaga nabenta, ewan ko na lang talaga. Pag walang bumili ito, ewan ko na lang talaga. Nag-ano din sila, nag-trim din siya ng bamboo na naman, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Halos skeleton yan nung tinrim siya ni Dan. Ang bilis tumubo, no? Kasi ang dami na namang leaves. Gabi na, guys. Pinatayan tayo ng ilaw. Mag-ano sana ako, magbubupis. Si Dan gusto niya mag-nachos. So, magna-nachos tayo. Na busy ako kanina. Naglinis ako. Tapos ilang beses kong binalikan yung hallway. Kasi kahit na, ano ba yan? Kasi kahit na nag-steam up na ako, yung chemical na ginamit ni Dan para sa grout, nandun pa din, guys. So, nagbalik na ako pangatlong beses na. And yun pa din. So, nakakainis. Dito na tayo. As usual, Chachis! Mexican Cantina. Dito kami lagi nagna-nachos. Sana meron pa kasi 9 sila mag-close. It's now 8:16 ng gabi. So sana mag-serve pa sila. Thursday. Sabado ngayon.
There you go, my lovely one, my lovely one. It's actually really good.
I know, I've tasted that before. That's the Mexican cola. Jarritos.
Made in the Philippines.
Bot-bot.
It is.
Oh. Nag-order na kami, guys. Yung lagi namin in-order dito, nachos lang naman, tapos share kami kasi ang laki. That's $5. Nag-order ako ng lemon lime and bitters kasi masarap yung lemon lime nila dito. Lemon lime is... Oh no, I think that's the bottle one. Ginagawa kasi nila yung lemon lime yung masarap. Dito na siya. Yummers. Kain tayo. Meron siyang jalapenos. Meron siyang chorizo. Hello, it looks different now.
It's a different chorizo, yeah.
Yeah. Noon kasi hindi naman siya ganyan kataba. Ano siya? I mean, maliit. Maliit na mataba. Ngayon, malaki na manipis. Kain.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be.
Bahay na kami, guys. Busog na ako. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ibig ko sabihin. Parang yung chemical na ginamit na Dan, madikit na hindi ko maintindihan. Pero sana makita nyo. Ganyan yung itsura, guys. Nag-map na ako dito 3 beses. Pero, see? See? Malagkit siya. So, yung ginagawa ko ngayon is, ano lang, namatay lang yung ano ko, steam up ko. Kaya chinarge ko siya ulit. See? Hindi siya maganda. Pero, nag-start ako ulit pang-4 na map. So, dyan, makinis na siya dyan. Yung ginawa ko is, ito muna. Ginaganan ko muna siya nito. Tapos, sini-steam up ko. Bali, yung attachment ng steam up na gamit ko is yung scrub, hindi yung parang regular na cotton lang. Pero feeling ko kailangan ko muna siyang hintayin na like mag-dry before namin siya apak-apakan. Sabi ni Dan, hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yan ngayon. Sabi ko, naiinis ako paglabas ng kwarto. Natapakan mo yun. Tapos, parang kumakalat. And kapag hindi ako nakachanelas, feel ko talaga yung ano, lagkit. Yung ko ba, feeling ko yung ginamit niya, hindi naman yun pang ganito na tiles. Pang banyo ata, yun ba? Tapos ginamit niya sa buong hallway. Sa hallway pa talaga nagsimula. Dyan kami lakad ng lakad. So, wala talaga ako sa mood kanina kasi pabalik-balik akong linis-linis tapos hindi ko siya makuha-kuha. Sabi niya, Dan, kailangan pa sigurong ipahinga muna. Sabi niya, maybe it will take a week. Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya yan. Maiinis lang ako every time lalabas ako ng kwarto. Guys, matutulog na tayo kasi may humihilik na. Tapos ko lang mag-skincare, hindi na ako magmamask kasi matutulog na ako. Si Dan din. Nakatulog siya, walang skincare ako dun. Nihintay niya ako, naka-on pa nga yung ilaw. Pero yun yung vlog. Sana guys, nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video kung nagustuhan nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night.